back in the ANC. Now, the corrupt ones, they are scared of step aside because they want to bring their debt in the ANC. But the coordinator of the ANC here in KZN is the first person to introduce step aside before there was a step aside. Now, uclean Yambona Musne, he has cleaned himself, he came back clean into the ANC. Because we don't want dirty, corrupt people in the ANC. Because the ANC is not an organization of dirty, corrupt people. When the ANC was formed in 1912, it was formed to liberate the people of South Africa and Africa in general. It was not formed to harbor corrupt councillors, corrupt mayors, corrupt MECs, corrupt premiers, corrupt thieves. The ANC is not an organization of thieves. It's an organization of credible leaders of the movement. Now, it was very important that I mention this point about the secretary of the ANC in KZN is because he's the first person to prove that no one who's corrupt must be in the ANC. If you are charged of corruption, you must clean your name and come back. I know there's an organization called Umkhonto weSisu. Umkhonto weSisu. Lo Umkhonto weSisu lo, umkhonto ohabara i-corruption eSouth Africa. Wonke umuntu otshontshayo omoshele ne-ANC South Africa, bonke bakumkhonto weSisu. NoZuma weSisu. Wonke umuntu uyisisu lapha. Ama-CEO waqoshiwe weSisu. Abantu abatshontshele the blacks in South Africa, all of them are in umkhonto weSisu. Angazi nivotele kanjani umkhonto weSizwe ngoba nithe kithi ku-ANC qoshani uZuma nabangani bakhe bayatshontsha bahambe ka-ANC because ANC siyayithanda. Niyahamba nina futhi nabavotela futhi nabafake legislature. Ninjani nabantu baseNatal? You must never allow that umkhonto weSizwe to exist anywhere. The youth of the ANC must save the movement. But we can't save the movement if the economy, umnotho wa South Africa, usese ezandleni zabantu abangasithandi. The youth of this country is poor. The youth of this country is unemployed. The youth of this country is dying with hunger. While majority of South Africans are dying of hunger, the women of this country are dying of hunger. Everyone is dying of hunger. But there is one person or two who are white by color and white males who are in charge of the economy that the ANC promised you that must be yours. Now, those days have ended. Rikene Mukito Lomnoto law must be in the hands of the youth and women, and black in majority. The economy of the country must reflect the demographics of the country. It can't be right that 10% of people in this country control the economy while 90% are poor. Our youth league is not a youth league that must allow that. It must be a youth league that fights for the youth. It can't be that young people, the youth here, angikwazi nokujola ngoba aninamadata. Data nje. Ujola njani ungana data? Ujola njani ungana airtime? Ujola njani ungasebenzi? Ujola njani ungakwazi ukuyisa nje eMcDonald's nje. Uzoyenza njani leyo nto? When you are unemployed, your dignity is taken away from you. When you are depositioned from the economy, you are like a dead person because you can't do anything. Yeah? Nabozwelo ababe mbona uzwelo mubi kanjani? Uyakwazi ukujola ngoba uyasebenza. Uthatha bocheri babantu etshwaleni every day. Uhlala kuma VIP every day ngoba uya afforda. Na wena mawunga afford awukwazi nokujola noma ungaba muhle kanjani ujola njani unganamali. Now, when the youth is taken away from their own economic activities of the country, they are dispositioned. Their dignity is taken away. They are like dead. Majority of the youth over 60% of the youth in this country, they are unemployed. How do you run a country when over 60% of the youth are unemployed? We said as a youth league, we're not going to complain. We're going to give the ANC solutions. And the first solutions we gave the ANC is that we must immediately introduce export quotas. All the raw minerals in this country must be here and beneficiated here. 70% of raw materials must remain here to industrialize the economy. How